Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com. Sally Chow from sallychow.com. Right now she's playing Tetris, so she's concentrating on a game. We are here at a restaurant called the SmoKIng BBQ. That's SmoKIng BBQ. They claim that they are the king of barbecue in Orange County, rated #1 best barbecue joint in the OC. And we're here to confirm that. So Sally ordered a hack rack of pork rib. I ordered a brisket sandwich, and we're also going to try something called a pork sundae. Looking forward to it. This place is pretty busy right now. It is lunchtime, so it's looks very full. And I noticed on the back here they have something called the King's Challenge. King's Challenge. It says one person, no break. You got 1 hour. You can eat one rack of rib, one beef rack rib, half a nacho, 7 chicken wings, blueberry cobbler, corn on the cob, mashed potato, and some other stuff. You got 1 hour, and if you can finish it, I guess you get it for free. If you don't, then I guess you pay the king's ransom. But I'm not going for that, no way. Sally's gone to the washroom, but right now I have Widget in the car, and it's a fairly hot day today. However, one thing great about the Tesla is I can control the temperature of the car from here. So while Widget's locked up inside the car, I got the temperature set to low, so it'll be nice and comfortable when we get out. The barbecue smell in here is pretty damn good. I mean, once you walk in, I smell the smoke. I smell the tangy texture of barbecue. There's really nothing quite like the smoky flavor of barbecue. So this is the brisket sandwich of onion rings. I was expecting a Kaiser bun, but it came in regular sandwich. Ah, there's a rack of ribs. There you go. Wow, Sally, check out that rib. That looks amazing. And looks like it's all meat too.
Just to give you a warning about the spicy barbecue sauce.
Yeah.
It has ghost pepper and habanero in it. So
Ghost pepper habanero barbecue sauce.
Yeah, so it does pack a punch.
Okay.
That's our regular one. It's not spicy at all.
Okay.
Right?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ghost pepper, no problem. But yeah, this rib. Look at this. Look at this rib. Wow! Look at the steam come up of that rib. Wow. That looks nice. Beautiful. It is a Sunday. Is that ice cream? No, that's mashed potato. See, it looks like a sundae. This is called a pulled pork sundae. It looks like ice cream. That's mashed potato, and below that is the pulled pork. It's a barbecue sauce, and it's got the waffle cone. It looks like a sundae. That's amazing. Looks like a dessert, but it's not. All right, now back to my sandwich. What's that, Sally? It comes off the bone?
Where's your side dish?
Look at that, it comes off the...
Can I have this?
How is it, Sally? Huh? It's really good? All right, Sally approved. That's great. All right, now back to the sandwich. I was expecting this to be on a Kaiser bun instead of a regular sandwich bun, but hold on, let's give it a try. All right, let's try this brisket sandwich here. Wow, oh my God, look at the size, look how thick this thing is, Sally. This thing is so thick, wow.
This is perfect for me.
Wow.
I want a small meal.
This is awesome. So juicy.
I have one pie.
I get down and dirty, just eat this thing. Wow. This is like the best brisket sandwich ever. And I'm sorry for making a mess, but this is the kind of restaurant it is. You just make a mess. You don't apologize for it. You just do it. Wow. So good. That's really good. Wow. Messy good. Wow. All right, let's check out this habanero sauce. They claim it's super hot. Let me just
This is the sauce.
hang it up. Hang in them. So they think this sauce is hot, eh? It has a kick to it, but I taste it way harder. Look at this. It's all meat. Wow. Wow. I taste the smoke. Oh, amazing. Good. Nuts. Mostly more. Wow. I'm literally speechless right now. Let's try the barbecue sauce. I can see why Sally's been eating this thing, because she normally doesn't eat this much ribs. Man. This really is the smoking barbecue. Wow. I'm blown away. Okay. This piece is like the burnt end. Oh, wow. That's crazy. I may have to order a rack to go.
Barbecue tastes good.
All right, that was Smoking Barbecue. They were totally smoking good. Ever in the Orange County area, check them out. Amazing, best barbecue ever had. All right, let's go home. Hey, Widget, did you enjoy the car? Huh, Widget? Of course you did. You didn't get hot at all.